lovely people. How are you? So, don't forget to leave in the comment section how your day is going. So, if you read from my title, I have 2 mystery boxes. Now, I have the Makeup Geek. They had a mystery box that was $50 and you're guaranteed to get over $100 worth of value. And I have the Gerard Cosmetics mystery box. Now, in the beginning, Gerard Cosmetics had it until it was like the beginning of March to the March 15th, but then they extended the mystery boxes to the end of the month. Now, I did purchase this box in the beginning of the month with a few extra things, but I got the items that I purchased extra and they never sent the mystery box. So I got a hold of them and they had to resend it, and it took like another week and a half. So that's why it's only a couple of days before the mystery boxes end. But I did want to get this in here, so if you want to purchase one, you can purchase it. Now, I am an affiliate with Gerard Cosmetics. If you use my code, you can get 30% off of your whole order, but it excludes the mystery boxes because for the mystery boxes, you get such a great value anyway. And this is for their 5 years anniversary that they're doing these mystery boxes. So you get the chance to try some of their stuff. And I have tried a few of their products and I really do like it. I got some stuff in PR, but one of the things I really recommend are these Slay All Days setting sprays. If you haven't tried these, I mean, look guys, I definitely use this. I love these so much. A full size is $22 and I think you can get like the mini size for like $12. You use my discount code, you get 30% off. I definitely recommend these. All right, enough about that. Let's see what is in the mystery boxes. Now, they had 3 different choices that you can get. They had the gold, which is what I got. This was the cheapest one. This was $39. Okay, it says right here. So you could have got the third, which is $39, where you're guaranteed to get at least $110 worth of value. You get the platinum one, which is $69, and you're guaranteed to get $195. That's the minimum value. Or the diamond, which is $149, and you get $425 minimum value, which is definitely a steal. So like I said, I got the $39 one. I wanted to see what it was about, and then you guys can see. So when you open it up, there is my little shipment, my packing label. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. All right, so you have this Gerard Cosmetics, and then on the back, there you go. Like I said, I'll leave the website down below, and you have until the end of the month to purchase some of these. All right. So the first thing, let me just show you what's in here. So you get quite a few things for $39. All right, so the first thing we got is an eyeliner in the color Noir, so a black. And everybody gets different things. So just because you purchased the $39 one doesn't mean you're going to get the exact same thing that I'm getting. All right, let's try to get this open here. Let me open it from the back. All right, so there we go. So this is just a felt tip liner right there, a black one. I'm not going to open this up because I have a few already open, but it's just a regular felt tip eyeliners. So there we go. The next thing we got are these Slay All Day setting spray. This is the mini one, and this is in lavender. So let me show you what the mini ones look like. And I really, really recommend these. So these are the small ones. This is the full size. Let's smell the lavender. I don't think I smelled the lavender before. Well, that smells just like lavender. This is not my favorite scent. My favorite scent is definitely this one. This is the, which one are you? What do you be? The green tea. I like the cucumber, and I like the watermelon one, and the coconut one. But this lavender, it smells like lavender. It's not my favorite, but it's an okay smell. All right, the next thing we got, what is this? Oh, a lip pencil in the shade Nude, right there. I do like their lip liners. They're very, very creamy. All right, so that's what it looks like. So let me show you. Right there. So you do have to sharpen these. That's a pretty shade. So there we go in Nude, and they're very, very creamy. Okay, so we got that. Then we have, what is this? This is a lip gloss. I love lip glosses in the shade Salmon, right there. What I'll do in the description box, I'll leave all the prices, what this equals up to. So I'll leave it down below how much everything is. Okay, so this is like, oh, so right here, you peel this off and there's a mirror right there. So that's pretty cool. And look, it has a light. That is so cool. So if you're at a restaurant or a club or whatever, you have a light right here and you can use the mirror. So this is like a lip gloss, let's see. That's a pretty color. All right, so that is right there. That's really pretty, actually. I didn't think at first, I mean, I like the color, but I didn't think I would be like in love, but I do like it. All right, so we have 3 more things. So this is, what you be? This is a lip cream, Supreme Lip Cream in the shade Wild Berry Tart, right there. Okay, oh, that's gorgeous. So that's the shade right there. Oh, that's pretty. That goes perfect with that lip liner that we got right there. All right, 2 more. So we got the Metal Matte, a liquid lipstick in Grape Crush right there. Let's see what this looks like. Why can't I get you open? All right. Oh, that is definitely grape. I'm not too keen on the metal mattes. Now, that is just a personal preference. But, well, this is pretty. I don't know if I wear this alone, but it's pretty with a, you know, purple look. I just think I would go with a lighter color on top. And last but not least is a Hydra Matte in the shade Ecstasy right there. So that's good. They give you a little bit of everything so you can try. So this is really worth it for $39. All right, so this is more like another purple. So this is like a lighter one. Oh, that's pretty. This is more like a light purple. So I would put that right on top of that right there. And that's everything in the mystery box for $39. Tell me, make sure that's everything. Let me know if you think it's worth it for $39. So we got this right here. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items that we got for $39. I think that's pretty darn good. Let me make sure that's everything. Yeah, 7 things. Do you think that it's worth it? I definitely think it's worth it for $39. Definitely, like I said, check down in the description box and I'll calculate everything up and then you guys can see what the value was. It was guaranteed to be over, I want to say, what was it? Over $110. For 39 bucks, you can't beat that. All right, so let's move on to the Makeup Geek. Let me take this off my hand. So the Makeup Geek was $50 and everybody got the same thing. It was supposed to be for St. Patrick's Day. Now last year they did a mystery box and I really, really liked it. It was $50 and you got to pick between 3 different ones if you were light, medium, or dark. And you got like a lot, everything was full size. It was really, really nice. So when they had their $50 off mystery box again, I jumped right on it. So let's see what is in here. I purposely didn't watch anybody's video because I knew that we were all getting the same thing and I didn't want to be spoiled. All right, so let's, what is under here? So under here, we got this right here. What is this? Okay, it looks like a Z palette because I see the holes right there. So we must got some single eyeshadows. So there we go. And it comes with the mirror and then it comes with 9 single eyeshadows you can put right there. What I like about this is because you can just pop them right out if you want to change up the colors and stuff. So that's good. All right. So then we have this puppy right here. Let me put the box down. So let's open her up. So it comes like this. Oh, so you get quite a few things in there. All right. I'm going to pull the first two things are lipsticks. So we got, this is in the shade, what is this? Naive, right there. All right. Let's see what color you be. What is this? All right, so it looks like this. Oh, this is a very light shade. This is like a peachy shade. Focus right there. So let's swatch that. It is pretty. Right there. That will look good for spring. All right, not bad. Then we have, what is this? This is in Socialite, right there. This is one of the plush lipsticks. I have tried this formula before. I do like this formula. I really like Makeup Geek. Oh, wow. This is like, what's up with like these purple colors lately, right? Maybe that's the new color that's in. All right. This must be, is this, no, okay. You have to build this up. I thought at first it was a lip gloss, but no, it is not. So there we go. So then we have a little, this is a mini size right here. Lipstick in the shade, what you be? Sangria. So this is another purple. Okay, this is a lip gloss. Now this one is a lip gloss right there. All right. So then we have eyelashes. So we have two right there. And these are in the style Fearless right there. And then we have Mischievous. All right. And then, okay, what is this? This is Sparklers. This is loose glitter in the shade, what are you? Asteroid. It's weird because I would think for St. Patrick's Day would be green and, okay, so here we have like a gold. All right, so this came with it. So once you open it up, you would put this little shifter on top. So this is just like gold glitter. I'm not going to open it because it will go everywhere. All right, so then we have how many? Oh, we have a lot of eyeshadows. We have 6 eyeshadows. All right, so we have Peach Smoothie. This is a pretty shade. We have Latte. We have Aphrodite. We have Corrupt. And we have, this is a foiled one in Jester. This is really pretty. It's like a greenish color. And this is a duochrome in Prism. I'm really surprised it's not more St. Patrick's Day themed. I'm going to put them in here. And then we'll do some swatches. You hear my dog outside there trying to come in. So let's put these in there. I'll try to do it fast because I don't edit my videos. So let me know down in the comments down below, do you plan on getting these? Well, the Makeup Geek you can't get anymore, but I do put on my community tab anytime that there are deals. So I did. So if you are not subscribed or you don't have my post to be available, make sure that you do, because I always put any kind of sales, any kind of deals. I like to put in the community tab so that you guys can get in on it too. And when I found out the Hush was having that huge sale, I went right, I think it was like 10 or 11 o'clock at night, I put it in there so that you guys can get on the deals too, you know? All right. And I got one more. Okay. All right, so I just put these in any type of way really quick. All right, so let's do some swatches and see. I love Makeup Geek eyeshadows. I really, really do. I have a few of her palettes, and I think they're all so pretty. Oh, that green one is really, really pretty. This one here, I don't know what happened to that one, but let's swatch black and the purple. That is gorgeous. So there we go right there. Very, very pretty. I'm glad that since we got a lot of singles, she threw this in as well. So let me know what you think. Which one was better? Which did you like better? Do you think is worth with the mystery box? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, I'll put the values of each box, and I will put the total value of each box too, so we can see, was it worth it or was it not? The Makeup Geek was supposed to be valued at $100. So let's see if that was valued at $100. All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Like this video if you like mystery boxes. If you like me to keep getting some mystery boxes and unboxing them, make sure that you comment because I want to know how you're doing. And as always, guys, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.